channel. So in today's video we'll be seeing types of different eyeliners, and in this video I'm going to be doing a simple tutorial on how to apply an eyeliner. So yeah, this might be the part 1 as I'm going only with the simple eyeliners here, not so dramatic. So let's start off with there are actually 6 eyeliner styles I've picked up for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll make a part 2 of this video very soon if this one goes right. So let's start the video. Let's go. So for the first eyeliner, it's gonna be a basic one. I'll insert a picture here. So what you have to do is I'm using a felt tip liner. So in this liner there's not going to be a wing, okay? It's just going to be a simple line over your upper eyelid, starting from the inner corners of your eyes. That's it. That's where we ended. So this is how a basic eyeliner looks. Now let me do it on my second eye and I'll show you the whole look. So this is how the first eyeliner looks. Yeah, I went a little overboard with the thin line. It became very thick. Sorry for that, my hands went out of control there. So this is how the first look looks. Okay, this is the basic eyeliner. Moving on to the very famous, or you can say every girl uses this eyeliner in her everyday life. So the second one is winged eyeliner. I'll pop a photo here. So for this I'll continue with the same eyeliner. I'm just going to wing it. So this is how I'll do it. I'm just going to close my eye and just take out a little bit of that, and then I'm going to connect this line till here, to the center of my eye. Okay, that's it. That's how you do a winged eyeliner. Same with the other side. And this is how the winged eyeliner looks. So that was the second type. Moving on to the third type. It is going to add a little drama to the eyes. So yeah, it's called long line eyeliner. Basically, you have to draw a long line over here. This is going to be extended. That's it. So I'm just going to close my eye again and drag this line till here. Hope that goes well. That's it. I'm looking like a clown. That's how the long eyeliner looks. So that was the third type. Now moving on to, I'm going with the, I'll go ahead and put some small line, thin line, okay, thin line eyeliner. we have that on, let me go ahead with some black eyeshadow. So this is how the fourth one looks. I just did a thin eyeliner and then I used a black shade to kind of smudge it, and that's how the natural one looks. So moving on to the fifth one, that is fishtail. Should I continue with this? If I do with this. So for the fishtail, you have to do a winged eyeliner. You just do some wing. Okay, for the down part, you have to just leave a line. Following the lower lash line, you have to drag a line which creates a fishtail kind of effect. Like so. Any mess, clean it up. So that's how a fishtail looks. So this is how a fishtail eyeliner looks. So that was the fifth one. Now moving on to the last one for this video, that is graphic arrow. So for the graphic one, I'll just start with it. So now you have to draw a curve like so. That is the eyeliner. Okay, now this type, I'm not sure if it suits anyone because it's definitely not suiting me. I'll do on the other side, then we'll see how big of a clown will I look. Okay, done with the final look. See, because I have hooded eyes, stop laughing at me. Because I have hooded eyes, I'm looking like a clown. I have to see you like this. So that was the eyeliner looks. There were 6 of them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out any latest videos from me. Keep supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in the part 2 of this video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Saranghaeyo. Annyeong.